Morning. Oh no do. Welcome. I'll be again. Sista P. Yes, Auntie Rev with another reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Heard 5 o'clock every morning, Jamaica time. If you're new to the channel, glad to have you. Like, share, comment and subscribe. You don't want to miss out. Anything else you want to know? Check the description box.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, I'm going to read from Mark 10, 35 to 45. Follow back on me. Mark 10, 35 to 45. James and John, Zebedee two boy them, go to Jesus and said to him, say, Teacher, we're going to ask you something, and we hope say you will do what we ask you. So Jesus asked them, say, what do you want me to do for you? Them say, when you come in your bright light for rule, make one of we sit down on your right hand side and the other one on your left hand side. But Jesus tell them, say, you don't know what you really ask. You can drink what me both for drink, or get baptized like how me I go get baptized. I suffer, me I go suffer, you know. Them say, yeah, we can do that. Then Jesus said to them, say, for real, you not go drink from the same cup where me drink from, and baptize the same way me get baptized. But if you sit down on my right hand side or on my left hand side, I know for me figure way. Cause them position they don't put up for the one them who forget them already. Now when the other 10 follower them hear this, them get mad with James and John. But Jesus called them and said to them, say, you know say the rule of them for the people who are not Jew boss them up, and the one them we in a top position ever tell them what to do. But on a sweat amongst you. Instead of that, if nobody want have top position amongst you, them have to serve you. And if none of you want come first, you must turn everybody slave. Just like how the man where God pick, name come here for nobody serve him. I come to serve people and to give him life so people can get free. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.